Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to restrict or prevent a PDF file from copying and printing and editing. This is my PDF file. Only you can view this PDF file. You cannot edit. And see this. This one now simply you can edit. See this. This image now selected. Now list of this editing. Now select this protect option. And here you will find the secure document. Click on the down arrow and select your password or certificate protect, password protect, and select the second one, add document restriction. Okay, and create a new password here. And see this, allow printing, high resolution, accessible allowed, copying allowed. Click on this permission box, select restricted. Here you can take access for each screen reader device visually. If you want, you can allow printing, sense, inserting, so on. I will not allow none of this. Now select OK and select OK. And finally select OK and select file option and save it. Now see this edit option now disabled. You cannot edit or insert new page, rotate, only you can view. Now close it and reopen and see this edit option now disabled. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.